Today from Bangkok. So it's just after 5 on a Monday. It's a public holiday today, so for a while there we thought the traffic was pretty light. It's built up again. So we're just going for a walk, so come along. It's the golden hour there, so let's go for a walk around the park. Won't do too much talking, we'll just do some looking. We're going to cut through this air-conditioned walkway because it's 36 degrees at the moment. It feels like 39, so we might as well take advantage of
5 o'clock.
Yeah, might as well take advantage of it being a bit cooler for a little bit. Always wants to beat me.
ที่ไว้นะคะพบกับความสนุกตลอดทั้งซัมเมอร์ค่ะ
Put these in. This will get filled up soon once the sun goes down a little bit. It's still 36 degrees, so everyone is hiding in this corner in the shade.
Every kilometer you see a real
Troszkę masz, no.
Ý là như vậy nhà bây giờ nó không có khí thì là như vậyเราจะเดินไปตรงหรือว่าเข้าไป Potenziellerre schon mal geht oder so und so etwas könnte ich nachfragen. Aber eben, das ist schon wichtig. Termin.